A brand that used to send a PR package to a lifestyle influencer is now rewriting its product description to rank inside ChatGPT's shopping agent instead. That shift is already happening, and most creators haven't noticed yet. Here is what changed, why it matters to anyone who earns from affiliate links or sponsored posts, and what brands are quietly doing about it right now. Segment 1. The customer is no longer a human scrolling Instagram. When someone opens ChatGPT and types, "Find me the best wireless earbuds under $80, they are not browsing. They are delegating. The AI reads product data, structured reviews, and merchant listings, then returns a short answer with a purchase option attached. The human never sees the influencer's unboxing video. They never click the affiliate link. The decision was made before they even opened a browser tab. This is the concrete shift that creator economy observers are beginning to flag. The purchase funnel used to look like this: brand pays influencer, influencer posts, follower clicks, follower buys. That chain depended entirely on a human at the scrolling stage. Shopping agents remove that stage. The AI becomes the shopper, and the AI does not follow anyone on Instagram. Brands are beginning to notice. Reports from marketing circles suggest some direct-to-consumer companies are quietly reallocating budget away from influencer campaigns and toward what is being called AI search optimization, structured product data, clean review signals, and consistent metadata that a language model can parse and trust. It is not a full industry pivot yet, but the direction appears to be shifting. Segment 2. What the AI actually trusts and why influencers can't easily fake it. Here is where the hidden mechanism matters. A human follower trusts an influencer because of personality, aesthetic, and parasocial relationship. An AI shopping agent does not process any of that. It processes text signals, product specifications, verified purchase reviews, return rate data, and how consistently a product description matches what buyers actually received. This is a structural problem for influencer marketing. The entire value proposition of an influencer is emotional resonance and audience trust built over time. None of that is machine-readable in the way a shopping agent queries it. A creator with 2 million followers and a strong aesthetic has no advantage over a smaller brand with cleaner product data when the buyer is an AI. Some creators are already experimenting with workarounds. A few tech-focused creators have noted that building content that ranks inside AI-cited sources, detailed reviews, structured comparison articles, content that gets pulled into AI summaries, appears to offer more durable reach than a single sponsored post. The apps and platforms that support this kind of structured content creation are quietly gaining traction among creators who are paying attention. Segment 3. The affiliate link problem nobody is talking about loudly yet. Affiliate marketing is a multi-billion-dollar layer of the creator economy. It works because a human clicks a tracked link. Shopping agents do not click affiliate links. They surface a product and connect to a merchant directly, often through a platform integration rather than a creator's referral URL. This means the commission layer that funds thousands of mid-sized creators could erode without a single dramatic announcement. It would happen gradually, as more purchase decisions move through AI-assisted interfaces and fewer happen through creator-driven discovery. Creators who built their income model entirely on affiliate revenue are, by the logic of this shift, the most exposed. The brands that are already adjusting are not necessarily abandoning influencers. Some appear to be repositioning them. Instead of paying for reach and clicks, a small number of brands are reportedly testing whether creator content can be used to generate the kind of structured, trustworthy text that AI agents favor, essentially using creators as content producers for AI-readable assets rather than as audience access points. Segment 4. What has not been figured out yet? The honest answer is that no one has fully solved this. Brands are experimenting. Creators are watching. The platforms that built their business on human attention, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, still dominate where humans spend time. AI shopping agents are not replacing human browsing entirely, but the category of purchase decisions that are moving toward AI-assisted completion appears to be growing, and the trajectory matters more than the current size. The creators who adapted earliest when the algorithm changed on any major platform were not the ones who waited for a clear announcement. They were the ones who noticed the quiet signal before it became loud. The same pattern appears to be running again now. If you want to understand the next layer of this, specifically how AI agents decide which sources to trust and whether that trust can be built deliberately, this channel covers exactly those hidden mechanism stories every time a tech shift quietly rewrites how attention and money move. That is the reason to come back. The unresolved question to sit with. If AI agents are now picking the products, who actually decides what the AI trusts? The answer is not obvious, and the brands that figure it out first will have an advantage that has nothing to do with follower count.